The following message is transmitted at the request of the Southerland Springs Police Department. The Southerland Springs Police Department is looking for a suspect responsible to attack a church in Southerland Springs. The suspect is unknown at this time. The situation is getting extremely dangerous. Over 20 people have been killed and many have been injured. At this time, all citizens are urged to evacuate the church and seek shelter now. The Southerland Springs Police Department is requesting all residents to evacuate the church or seek shelter immediately. Stay tuned for more information.